So my name is Maxence Dulou. I have the chance to be the winemaker of Aoyun. So Aoyun 2017, it has more depth and more length than a previous vintage. Basically, each vintage we have the capacity to improve the quality because we learn more about our terroir. Okay, we've got really unique terroir and it takes a long time to learn about them. So every year we learn about this terroir and we will improve our vineyard management and our winemaking. Okay, just to give you an idea, it takes century in Burgundy for the wine grower to understand their terroir and to adapt to them. So for sure, we have the capacity to improve every year. How to describe 2017 vintage is through the climate first. So we've got cooler than average climate, and we have the chance to have end of season that is very sunny, but not too warm, permit us to ripe slowly. Okay, so in 2017, because we have a cool vintage, we harvest very late. And actually we harvest the latest of the world, I would say, in the North Hemisphere for a dry red wine, because we harvest the last block 22nd of November. And if you do this in other place, you will harvest resin, like we call, but you will harvest a deshydrated grape because it's too much temperature and too much sun. But because of our climate is very cool, okay, we can ripe slowly with keeping our freshness, okay? And this is the reason we could harvest late, and also this gives a wine something very unique. So in terms of climate, we harvest even later than usually. Then in terms of vineyard management, we improve our vineyard management to give the good quantity of water to the plant. You know, a plant is like a sportsman. If you give the good quantity of water, the result will be the best. And so we identify 30 different terroirs, so 30 different types of management that we need to adapt. And for each of these 30 terroirs, we optimize the water management we give to the plant. This was very important in 2017, that permit us to have more concentration, more density in the wine, keeping our freshness. Then another parameter that we improve in 2017 is we put the bunch in the sun. Okay, you can protect usually naturally the bunch of the grape, the fruit is protected by the leaf from the sun. And in our climate, because it's very cool, we understood that we have to remove more leaf to put the bunch more in the sun, okay, to increase the temperature of the bunch, to increase the chemical reaction, and at the end to have a better ripeness, okay. And this is also important, and this is also possible because we have a cool climate. If you do what we are doing in Napa Valley, for example, you're going to burn the grape. But because our climate is cool, because the number of hours you've got the sunshine on the grape is small, we could do this, and this was a big improvement. We also like to taste our wine, our different wine lots at the sea level in order to have a better understanding, because at the altitude of our cellar at 2,600 meters, it's difficult to test the wine very well. So for the last tasting, which is a tasting, we decide about which blend we're going to use, because you have to understand that for Aoyun we only use less than 65% of all our wine, only the best. So to decide what we are blending together to make Aoyun the finest, the most unique wine with the most aging potential, we need to taste the different lot. And from 2016 vintage, we understood that we were much more accurate in doing this tasting in Hong Kong at the sea level. So 2017 also, we took the sample of wine and we did the tasting, the tasting for deciding about the blend in Hong Kong. Okay, this permits us to be much more accurate. Then in 2017, we had a little bit of Merlot for the first time. So we had 2% Merlot for the first time. We are trying to getting closer to our dream every vintage. So our dream is to make a unique, fine wine in China. So we want every year to have more complexity, express more this terroir, and having this aging potential. Okay, and I think this is everything we are doing is to reach this objective in the vineyard and in the cellar. So in the future, I think we'll have more finesse, more complexity in the nose, in the mouth. We will have even more drinkability in terms of in the mouth. So this is what we would like, with keeping this aging potential or even increasing the aging potential.